That's what I also asked myself, because when I saw it on LinkedIn, like a very, very nice video, or also on YouTube, and I was asking myself, hey, was it done in Blender? But then I quickly learned, no, this is already integrated in your tool, which is really amazing. And which is also important, because if you talk to non-engineers, let's say engineers use your tool, but you talk to non-engineers and they want to have it visualized and they don't actually understand what's happening there, I think this is a crucial aspect, that you actually can show people what's going on in the simulation.
Yeah, exactly. So we think of PreonLab as a whole product for every stakeholder that is involved in the decision of a product design and product in general. So it serves engineers to understand what is going on a physical level, to do virtual engineering there, but also to convey their insights to their manager and to the designer by actually transporting not only graphs and red and blue and green colors, but also the real visual clues that the people understand, which makes meetings and virtual engineering more efficient in our, not in only in our opinion, but also in the opinion of our customer. Yeah, this is not only eye candy, it's really an added value for our users. And we are very proud to say that not only CFD engineers are using our software, but also people really from the test bed that have these year-long experience and understand what you need to look at as a test engineer, and transform their knowledge now to the virtual world and save a lot of time and money by front loading all these tests.
Mm-hmm.